Augmented Reality 101. So augmented reality is pretty much data visualized in 3D objects on top of the perspective of the person or thing. So for example, using your camera's phone to look back at your face and for it to put a makeup filter on your face, or Pokemon Go. Um, the, these are some of the ways that augmented reality has been used, but it's just pretty much 3D data either on your camera, on your glasses, or on a car windshield. Pokemon Go was obviously a really popular game that popularized augmented reality, so it's just those 3D data, which is the Pokemon themselves and the ball in the game. The whole menu is just on top of reality itself, used from the perspective of the camera on the phone. And then you can, the HoloLens and the Meta 2 are both augmented reality headsets that are either available or in the prototyping stage and getting close to being commercially available in case of the Meta 2, but here's a couple examples of what you could do with it. So, let's see, and then virtual reality is, instead of it being placed on reality, the 3D visualizations, the users themselves are in a completely separate, closed-off reality that's all virtual and of their making. And then here's just a couple examples what you could do. You could attend live events virtually, like meetings, like the one where it looks like it's in the Arctic Circle, or the game show host at the bottom, or just performing for a crowd. And as you can see in the top right picture, they're getting likes, handshakes, smiles. So, and then some of the headsets that they have for virtual reality are the Oculus Rift from Facebook and the HTC Vive. So just remember, augmented reality is visualizations on top of the perspective of the user. So that's it for Augmented Reality 101. I'll leave some useful links and talk to you soon. Let's see you in the next lesson. Bye.